Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Substack newsletter. First, navigate to Substack's website and sign up for a free account. You'll then choose a unique name for your publication and write a compelling description. Don't forget to set up your basic profile information to personalize your new platform. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to share your voice with the world. Now it's time to create your content. Draft your first newsletter post directly in the Substack editor, which offers intuitive formatting tools. You can easily add images, videos, or other media to make your posts more engaging for readers. Once your content is ready, you have the option to publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Building your audience is key to a successful newsletter. Share your unique Substack link across all your online platforms. You can also import existing email lists to quickly bring over your current contacts. Actively promote your newsletter on social media and engage with your readers through comments and replies to foster a strong community around your content. Substack allows you to monetize your work by enabling paid subscriptions for exclusive content. You can set your own pricing tiers, offering different levels of access to your readers. Personalize your newsletter's design to match your brand, choosing colors and layouts. Additionally, explore the advanced analytics and settings to understand your audience and optimize your publication.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.